Just wanted to do a quick video, just updating you guys on my Buick. As you can see, I'm getting ready to charge my battery. Obviously hasn't been started, hasn't been running. Anyhow, what I'm doing today is putting on a crossover pipe that I picked up today. So let me show you why I've been a little slow. So the wife decided she wanted to surprise me, and she picked up a new vehicle for me. So she picked up a Tesla Model X 2020, which I absolutely love. I've made some updates to it. They've been pretty minor. Put these carbon fiber guys on it. But yeah, so let me show you these crossover pipes. So this is the one I'm taking off the car. And this is the one I'm getting ready to put on. And as you can see, this guy's not exactly perfectly oval. As a matter of fact, it was causing some seepage, as you can see from the set. But yeah. All right, let me get this thing installed. All right, so I had to stop yesterday because my battery went bad. I actually just replaced the battery in November, but I came out here to start it and it wouldn't start. So I actually did end up starting the vehicle and letting it run, and I had to climb back underneath the vehicle because the exhaust was not tight enough. But let me just give a quick update by starting it up. It's not bad for a car that hadn't ran in as long as it had, as long as it's been. Maybe I should use some seafoam. I don't know. I hadn't used anything other than just getting it started. Got a lot of work to do. I'm going to change this filter out. Look at it, guys. Personally, I think she's running pretty damn good considering it's been so long. I need to change vacuum hoses or vacuum lines, which you can see I got a roll of vacuum lines. Of course, I got some leaks. I hear a leak over here. Oh, check it out. Yeah, I got a shit ton of those too, guys. So I'm gonna start making some changes to this, guys, and see where we're at.